Congratulations on your purchase of a Raise3D Pro3 HS Series 3D printer. In this video, we will walk you through the complete unboxing process to help you quickly start using your new 3D printer. To unpack the printer safely, you will need a pair of scissors or a utility knife. Let's get started. In this video, we'll use the Raise3D Pro3 HS printer as an example. When you receive the printer, place it on a stable surface in a well-ventilated area. Cut the packing straps using scissors. With the utility knife, carefully cut the packing tape along the top of the box. Remove the loose cardboard and spacers. Take out the Raise3D Pro3 HS Series 3D Printer Quick Start Guide, and carefully store it for future reference. Take out the hex wrench kit, and set it aside for later use to remove the protective devices used within the printer for secured shipping. Take out the power cord and set it aside for later installation. Different countries or regions will receive appropriate local standards of power cords. Remove the styrofoam. Remove the cardboard spacers. Take out the transparent cover and set it aside for later use to install on the printer. We recommend having a second person to help you remove the cardboard box. We recommend having a second person to assist you in lifting the printer out of the foam padding. Carefully place the printer in an open area. Unfasten the 4 sets of reusable ties used to bind the spacers. Peel off the 4 yellow label stickers. Remove all the spacers securing the rods of the printhead gantry. Extract the largest size hex wrench from the hex wrench kit. Remove the Z-axis clamps on both sides. Manually slide the printhead to the center of the rear side. Please keep all the removed parts and protective packaging for any possible future transportation of the printer. Plug the power cord into the printer, and turn on the switch to start the printer. The first time the printer boots, it will enter the startup wizard. Select a language for the printer. Make sure you have removed all the parts. Take out the accessory box and filaments after the build plate automatically lifts. Follow the prompts to complete the basic printer setup. Once the basic setup is complete, the printer will proceed to the 5-step offset calibration. Please follow the on-screen prompts to complete the 5-step offset calibration. It takes approximately 1 hour to complete the entire offset calibration. Using your smartphone, scan the QR code to complete the machine registration, making it easier for you to contact the after-sales service. The interface will help you quickly familiarize yourself with the basic operation of the printer. Congratulations! You have finished this guide. Your Raise3D Pro3 HS Series 3D printer will automatically perform high-precision printing. For additional inquiries or technical support, please visit www.raise3d.com or contact Raise3D customer service at support@raise3d.com.